So I've just noticed for the first time ever that you can see my laundry basket back there. So yeah, I'm gonna remove that for future videos. Sorry about that, don't look. Hey everyone, it's Sandy here from Gender Swap and welcome back. So this week I'm actually not going to be doing a video. It's going to be a video review from a community member of ours about trans tape. Yay! Gender Swap is partnered with Trans Tape to bring you a discount code. So the discount code is Gender Swap. I will pop it down below and it gets you 15% off of any trans tape products on their website. So it's really great, especially because trans tape is located in the US, so with all the extra sort of shipping costs and all of that, the 15% helps to kind of break it down. So what Casey is going to review today is the trans tape starter kit. So the starter kit comes with a roll of tape, which you can choose between 3 different skin shades. And then it also comes with an oil-based remover, which is infused with essential oils to make sure that it nourishes the skin, as well as a skin balm or skin salve that you can then put on after you remove the tape to make sure that everything kind of heals well for the next time that you use it. All of you who are binding for the first time with tape, I've also put a link down below, which just gives you some pointers on how to bind with tape and just how to be safe with binding in general, because that's really important. If you love the trans tape starter kit when you see it, then I definitely recommend going to transtape.life to check out their starter kits, or if you just want to start with a roll of tape, whatever. There's lots to choose from on the website, and I will link the blog description down below, which has more information about trans tape from the Gender Swap website blog. And I'll also just put a few more helpful links down below so you can kind of do some browsing and figure out what's best for you. So without further ado, I am now going to hand it over to Casey on the next slide, who's going to provide you with a really quick review, and hopefully it inspires you to maybe get your own trans tape. All right, enjoy and have a good week.
Hi everyone and welcome to Gender Swap YouTube channel. My name is Casey, I use they them pronouns, and today I am reviewing trans tape.
Okay, so here is the parcel that you receive in the mail, and first up is the trans tape, which is what you'll be wearing, and second up is the little leaflet which has a handy QR code to download the application manual. Next up is the removal oil, which you use to take the trans tape off, and here is the healing salve, which will help moisturize around any irritated parts of your skin as well. So let's put on the trans tape. So this is me putting on the trans tape for the very first time. My chest is quite small, so I chose a small in the sizing. The only thing I had to do before putting it on was make sure that I was clean and dry, just so that the trans tape would stick. The fabric felt really comfortable and flexible. I think I might need a couple more tries to get it perfect, but you could definitely see a change in the flatness of my chest. And there is some gender euphoria right there. To get the trans tape off, I used the oil. It was super easy to use. Just let the trans tape absorb the oil and it should come off easily. I also used the balm for irritated skin and it was very soothing. You can order yourself some trans tape. Just go to the website transtape.life. Also, there's a discount code linked in with this video in the description below. You can also go to www.genderswap.org. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Casey. I use the pronouns they, them, and have a nice day.